Welcome to Shaver Lake. This is a beautiful place.
Every mile, every smile, we're making memories, we're living wild. Adventures waiting, let's take the ride. Together we're stronger, with love as our guide. Every mile brings us closer, every step feels right. On this journey as a family, we're shining.
Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are spending the day at Camp Edison on Shaver Lake. This is one of the most beautiful spots in California. I can never get used to this view. We've been coming here for the last 3 years. We're going to show you around. Come check it out with me.
Woke up with the sunrise painting gold across the sky. Shaver Lake is calling, where the mountains touch the high. Pack the picnic basket, kids are laughing, running free. Today's a day for family, by the water, you and me. The world's a little brighter when we're here side by side. Nature song is singing, let's go join the joyful ride out on the lake.
So I am currently out here on the water in Shaver Lake. The water is so beautiful. The mountains behind it are gorgeous. Like I said, we've been coming here for 3 years. We have some friends that we come every year with and camp out for a few days. So relaxing, so nice, and nice and quiet.
We're skipping stones together, watch them glide across the blue. The kids chase dragonflies, every moment feels so true.
Hi, Mom.
The water's cool and sparkling, reflecting love in every way. These memories we're making, oh, they're treasures we will save. The world's a little brighter when we're here side by side. Nature song is singing, let's go join the joyful ride out on the lake, where the ripples dance and play. Hearts are light and the worries fade away.
You having fun today?
Yeah,
Yeah? What do you have for lunch?
sandwich and Doritos.
A little turkey sandwich and some chips. It's a beautiful day today.
On the lake with my family, I'm at ease. The heron soars above us, the sky's a canvas white. The laughter of my loved ones fills my heart with quiet pride. From the shore to the horizon, beauty wraps us like a song. In this moment we're together, where we know we all belong. Out on the lake.
Now on Shaver Lake, there's a lot of places to stay. There's a lot of different campgrounds and cabins and beautiful spots. Right across the way over here is a scout camp. You can hear them screaming at 6 in the morning. Hoo-ah, or whatever. I don't know. I went to scout camp, but I don't remember ever screaming at 6 in the morning. But there's a scout camp right here. There's other campgrounds down at the end. There's a marina where they have boats. We go out on paddle boards. Beautiful place.
Hot summer night, cold Diet Coke, sitting right there on the back of that boat. Stars shining bright, just you and me, laughing about nothing, feeling so free. And that river kept on flowing, but time stood still that night. We found forever in the moment underneath the summer sky. Waves rolling in, pulling me close. Your hand in mine, the only thing I know. First taste of
One of the last times we went camping in Big Sur, we had an issue with our stakes for our tent. Every single one that we tried to nail in hit a rock or hit something and just completely bent it. It absolutely just infuriated me. So my wife found these things on Amazon, and these things are absolutely amazing. We'll highly recommend these. We'll see if we can post a link in the bio of this video, but highly recommend getting these if you go camping off.
the sand brought away the way you looked at me. The way we danced in the water, feeling wild and free. Memories like waves still crashing through my mind. That summer love will never leave behind. And that river kept on flowing, but time stood still that night.
All right, so for dinner we did boiled dinners. Success? Success. Now the camp does have other amenities. There's the basketball court right here. There's a volleyball court back here. They do have a laundromat just around the way, so you can do your laundry. Really a fun place to hang out.
I'll take it. Oh, there you go.
And that is the end of our trip here at Shaver Lake, Camp Edison. It's been a fun trip. It's been beautiful, but I'm ready to sleep in my own bed. Thank you for coming with us on this adventure, and we'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.
Making memories with